This is Eau Claire's own News 18 Daybreak.
Welcome back to Daybreak. Now, we've talked a lot about health officials warning of both COVID-19 and the flu, and right now the annual Get the Shot campaign is going on in Eau Claire County to increase the number of residents getting protected against the flu. Joining us this morning on Daybreak is Dr. Hamlin. Tell us a little bit about why the flu is considered a serious respiratory illness.
So influenza is considered an important respiratory illness because there are a number of people who end up being hospitalized and a number of deaths. So it is considered a very serious respiratory illness.
And I know last year there was a decrease in flu reports and cases. Can you talk to me a little bit about that?
So last year, basically due to the pandemic, people were staying at home, wearing masks, and all of those activities decreased the spread of not just COVID, but influenza. So we did have a very low rate of influenza last year.
But of course now with a lot of things being open, that is a concern again this year. And of course with COVID-19, talk to me a little bit about the importance of, doing those protective measures and of course of getting a flu shot.
Well, certainly social distancing, wearing masks, covering your cough, all those things are important for both influenza as well as COVID. They are spread with droplets, and by doing those measures, you decrease the spread of influenza.
How can people get a flu shot in Eau Claire County?
So in Eau Claire County, there are multiple places you can get your flu shot. You can get them at your local physician's office. The public health department has a number of flu clinics that they're operating throughout the county. Your local pharmacy can also give you a flu shot, and many employers are having flu vaccine on site at their workplace.
And we were talking before during the commercial about the cost of a flu shot. Talk to me a little bit about that.
So insurances should cover your flu shot. Workplaces are generally offering them free. The health department flu clinics are also free, so that you should have a number of places you can get a flu shot.
Perfect. And we will have all that information on where you can get your flu shot this year over on WQOW.com. As Dr. Hamlin says, you can check in with your local doctor or the health department as well to get your flu shot if you are interested in doing that this year. Thank you so much for joining us this morning.
And there's no time like now.
That's right. No time like the present. And today, my